Hey everyone, today we're talking about spring rolls, a super popular food in Vietnam. Folks there love to munch on these fresh rolls. You can find them all over the place, from little street carts to fancy restaurants. They're like a symbol of fresh, healthy food in Vietnam, showing off the best of what Vietnamese cooking has to offer. Okay, so to make yummy salmon spring rolls, you've got to start with fresh stuff. You'll need rice paper wrappers. They're thin and see-through. You can grab these at any Asian grocery store. Next up, cooked salmon. Make sure it's nice and flaky, seasoned just how you like it. Fresh veggies are super important too. Crispy lettuce, shredded carrots and thinly sliced cucumbers are perfect. And don't forget fresh herbs like mint and cilantro. They add a pop of flavor. Lastly, you absolutely need a good dipping sauce. It ties everything together. Making spring rolls is easy peasy. First, get your workspace ready. You'll need a clean spot and a bowl of warm water. Dip a rice paper wrapper in the water for just a few seconds until it gets soft. Lay it flat on your work surface. Now, it's time to add the good stuff. Put a little lettuce on the bottom part of the wrapper, then add some salmon, carrots, cucumbers and herbs. Don't put too much. Now fold the sides of the wrapper over the filling and roll it up tight from the bottom. Ta-da, your spring roll is done. These Vietnamese salmon spring rolls are best eaten fresh. Arrange them nicely on a plate and serve them with your favorite dipping sauce. Peanut sauce is always a good choice. You could also try a sweet chili sauce or a tangy fish sauce. These spring rolls are a great appetizer or a light meal. Enjoy.